Hello everyone, my name is Bhagyashree Ghodke. I have successfully completed a networking training from Evision Technoserve where all the courses were exceptionally beneficial. Uh, the best part of my experience was the quality of the trainers. Their instructions were invaluable and significantly contributed to my learning. I wholeheartedly recommend Evision to all the students who want to start their career in IT sector. Evision is a place where practical experiences is given, which is important in the career growth as well as for the success. I am happy to share that I have secured a position of senior technical process executive at INFOSYS with 4 LPA. I owe much of this achievement to the guidance provided by the Evision and their trainers. Thank you so much.